to show you a cool little lick, a real quick lesson here. I'm in the key of G, and so the way this lick goes, I'm going to spell it out real slowly for you. It incorporates the D string, the G string, and the B string. And it looks like this. Okay? So what I'm doing is I'm hammering on the D string from the open to the second fret with my second finger. Then open G, second fret G with the second finger. And here's the tricky part. Here's the part that you got to get really good, is sliding it up from the 2 to the 4 on that G string. Then pick up the third fret on the B string. Back to that 1, 2, 3, 4th fret with the second finger on the G. And back to the second fret on the G. Open. Second fret on the D. Open. Sorry. I hope that was clear. Let me take it slow. So in up to speed, it would be something like. Now that melody is from an old Faces song. I believe that's, or actually, I think it's Gasoline Alley from Rod Stewart. I think, I'm not sure if he was with Faces or if that was one of his solo albums. I think it was a solo album. But I always loved that album. I loved Rod when he was back singing the blues with Jeff Beck and the Faces. But I just stole that lick because I use that kind of lick a lot when I'm in G, because you can utilize all those open strings. So let me take it one more time slowly. Hitting the G chord. Let's take it real slow. Notice in the phrasing, the important one is when you go from that 2 to the 4 on the G, you gotta kind of drag it slow. And pull off. So you notice that that's just a slide up. You just hit it once. And then pull it back, you just hit it once. So see how So you can do all kinds of versions of that. That's just. It's kind of a tricky one. Sorry. Yeah. Slow motion. See, I'm just hitting it once. So I just hit the G string once. And that's just slides. So here it all together. Do any which way you want. Just know that those notes work. It's an old bluesy country blues lick. So there it is. That's my take on a little Gasoline Alley, Rod Stewart, early Rod Stewart, made friendly on acoustic guitar. And I hope you guys are having a great holiday season wherever you are, and I hope there's a lot of music in your life, because I'll tell you, This guitar, every guitar I own, I've got a bunch of them, but it doesn't really matter because it's been the center of my universe since I was 12 years old. And it kind of saved my bacon many times, but I didn't know what to do with myself. I just pick up a guitar and, you wouldn't be here if you didn't, but it just brings a lot of, for me anyway, a lot of happiness and hopefully joy to others as well. So, joy to the world, and Happy New Year to y'all. We'll see you in 2025. All right, bye-bye.